Name is Nigi. Welcome to the Code tutorial channel. In today's video, we will learn the basic of pandas in Python. Let's get started. First, open VS Code, then click the code, then import the pandas library using. Then import pandas as well as 3D. Next, create a variable named data and read your Excel file like this. Your Excel and import the data. Print the data. Run the code this way, like this data. Now let's check for null values using the isNull function. Let's click the code and data dot data dot is null and run the pen. This is null value. True, 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 true. This is null value. Okay. To view the top rows of your data, use the head function. Click on the port dot head like 10, 20, like 30. Yeah, yes. This is this is top 10 data, upper level data. Okay. Top to views the bottom rows, use the tail function. Data dot tail as your wish, like 20, 30. This last row data. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Take care and goodbye.